everyone, how are we doing? I hope you guys are all doing really well. It is always good to spend some time with you, and I hope that you're going to enjoy this quick little video that I'm going to share with you today. I'm very excited because I've got my very first autumn kit that I've put together. So I'm hoping you're going to enjoy it. It's not the traditional, slightly more towards the pink and the burgundies. I got my autumn shirt on, you see. So let's have a look without talking anymore. Right, so if you're new to my channel, I would like to wish you a very warm welcome, and if this is yet another episode you're sharing with me, hello, and it's lovely to be with you again. Get that cuppa, because it's like we're having tea with friends. Right, just taken a plastic envelope, which you know is how I like to store my digitals. I'm going to share with you the digitals that I have put together. I've got 3 different digitals sets like I normally do. I have an ephemera pack, I have the digital journal pages, and I also have a little add-on kit because Etsy only allows a certain amount of files, and the journal pages they do amount to quite a few pages. So I'll talk you through each of them, and then I also have the printed kit available as well with everything in it, and I'll explain that. Right, so this autumn kit I'm calling Autumn Lustre because of the colors, and I just have this most beautiful tree outside in my garden that has the colors of these leaves here, and they're really red and rich and just absolutely stunning. And I think autumn is probably my second favorite season. I do just love autumn. Right, so I've got 8 ephemera sheets that I have put together here. So I'm going to show you them pretty quickly, so just have a little chat as we go through. So we've got all sorts of colors. This is actually 4 of my original Catherine Klein. You know I love my Catherine Klein. These are very old postcards that I have scanned in here for you. These are all bits from various places that I've picked up and sort of doctored here and there. They all sort of go with what we're doing. Love that. These are actually photographs. We've got some beautiful images here as well. Oops, that's upside down, I think. So here's some more, and these are all going to coordinate really well with the kit that I have got. These are just the backs of my postcards as well, invoices of mine. Gosh, I didn't do a good job of that. Right, so you've got 8 pages of those, various sizes, various bits there, and these are in my Etsy store, Angela Kerr Designs, and I have actually managed to put them in the PDF or the JPEG format on this for this particular kit. So that's that one there. Then I have also put together my digital designs for the journal pages, and I have also included the mini versions because that seems to work so well, and I know that a lot of you struggle or aren't able to do that. So I do have 5 pages of that in the kit, and I'm going to show you those in a minute. I just want to get to the actual main pages, and I've got this all in a funny order here, so let's do it like this. Right, so we're going to start with the actual design pages that I've done myself here. Well, you know, this is some of the pages. So we've got this kind of a thing where you've got some pumpkins because there are pumpkins involved. Got some beautiful autumn russet leaves with berries and things. Beautiful dahlias, and Jessica, you inspired me with the dahlias, and I do love dahlias. So those are those 4, and then these are sort of backgroundy pages as well. And then I've got 6 design pages where I've got specific designs. So you can see we've got pumpkins, we've got the leaves falling, berries, beautiful flowers in the pinks and the burgundy. So I quite like how this has all come together. And there's just another one of those. I love the pumpkin. I love the colors. So try to bring in a little bit of vintage, so it's a bit eclectic. There's another page from that kit, and another one with some beautiful vines as well. and this one here, which I thought would make a gorgeous middle spread for any journal. And then that one, and I just love that image there. Yeah, so those are 10 of the designed pages themselves. So we've got 10 of those, and then we have got the mini versions, which I did touch on earlier. So I've got 5 pages of the mini versions as well. So you've got all of those in the mini format. All right, including the background pages as well, and all of them. So I've done all of that as well. So that's 15 already. Then I've got 6 background pages. Background pages meaning things we'd like to use together. They're sort of coordinating pages. You can write on these. You can, I would probably print these on the back of the design sheets like that. So we've got them in this beautiful soft dusky pink, this gorgeous cappuccino color. I'm just making these up. These are my own colors that I've made up. And then a slightly darker burgundy shade. So you've got them in those 3 colors, so with the leaves like that. And then I've got some other pages which have leaves and a design on in the lighter pink, the darker burgundy, and then I've brought in just the gold version as well. So we've got those. So that's now 21 pages for all the journal pages itself. 21 different pages just like that. And that is a big kit. So I hope that you're going to like that. So that would make up the journal pages itself. Then I have got an add-on kit, because obviously I couldn't fit any more on that particular site there. So I have got these as well. So this is just bits that are going to coordinate perfectly with this Autumn Lustre Kit. So we've got 2 mini envelopes. We've got some beautiful journal cards there. We've got the pockets, different pockets. And we've got some beautiful large tags. This one in the middle I like particularly because it gives you the opportunity to add a bit of your own touch to it rather than having everything prescribed. We've got a larger envelope, I think, or 2 actually, 2 of those. And then of course some more larger tags. And then we also have the smaller tags and some faux stamps as well. So that's the add-on kit. All right, so that's another, I think, 8 pages. All right, so as you can see, there are 3 sections to this. We've got the ephemera pack, 8 pages. You've got the add-on kit, which is 8 pages, and then you've got 21 pages in the journal page kit. Now, all of this does go together in the printed format. So if you are not able to print or you're wanting borderless printing, I do mine on borderless printing. And this is on an inkjet printer, but it does come out in beautiful lustrous colors. I use a very good quality HP paper, so an 160 GSM or 60-pound weight. So it is not flimsy paper at all. It's good quality. What I do is you get a set of the ephemera pages, you get a set of the add-on pages, and then when it comes to the actual journal pages, I give you 2 sets of those because, you know, there's usually an occasion where you need to use more than one. So all in all, that's 58 pages, and they will come together in a plastic pouch like this so that you can keep them all together. And this then goes into a hard corrugated envelope, which like a box, and that gets posted off as a large letter. So I do it as international standard. It isn't tracked and signed. However, if you want tracked and signed and you're wanting to pay the extra monies, I'm happy to look at that for you as well. We've had success with that so far. So that is sort of everything involved there. Now, the golden question, I will be using this in the project after we have finished doing our Purple Passion keepsake journal. So I will probably be starting with this next week. I've got a couple of ideas, but I will keep that a bit of a secret at this point. So I hope if you have any questions or you'd like to see me do something specific, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see if any of those are going to line up with what I have envisaged. All right, so thank you everybody so much. Short and sweet. I hope you like the colors. I hope you like the kit, and I hope that you'll join me and on my YouTube channel, where you can follow along with all the tutorials on how to change this kit into something really lovely that you can either gift for Christmas or keep for yourself. So thank you for sharing this with me today, and I look very forward to seeing you next week when we can start on this. All right, so thank you everybody. Keep well. Bye bye.